Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about user roles and permissions in your Dakis Unified Commerce solution. Here we are on the user settings page in our My Dakis account. If you'd like to learn more about the user settings page, you can check out our videos on how to add users and how to edit users on our YouTube channel, or go to help.dakis.com. To get started looking at account roles, let's click on the Edit button next to the Maddox Design username in the list of active users. Next, we'll scroll down to the Account Role dropdown found right underneath the first four information fields. Here we find the different types of users that you can add. Each role has different permissions and access. Let's go over the different roles and what they do in a bit more detail. The owner is the highest level of permission and has access to all sections and settings. They have the ability to add, deactivate, and edit users and all their roles. The owner role is automatically assigned to the very first user when we create your My Dakis account. They have unrestricted access to every section, setting, and feature in the system. The owner has one exclusive ability. Only they can transfer ownership of the account by assigning the owner role to another user. No other permission level can perform this action. Be careful when doing so, as there can only be one owner per account at a time. The buyer is one level down from owner in terms of permissions. They can access most of the account settings and all the product pricing pages, but cannot create a new owner role. They can, however, edit and create any other user and edit their details or update account roles. The customer service role is kind of like a clerk with a glow-up. They can do everything a clerk does, create and edit customer records like contact info, process and check out transactions, but can also perform refunds and void orders. The finance role is more or less an accountant or bookkeeper role. They can look at reporting, payment data, and shopping cart/order info. They also have access to customer account information. The finance role has access to reporting tools, payment data, and shopping cart/order data. However, they can't edit products, pricing, or inventory. The lab tech role is specialized. They care about viewing and managing photo orders and printing services. They can see everything they need to do that and not too much else. This includes viewing and managing photo orders and uploading files to Pro events and related photo workflows. They can't, however, see hardware pricing, general merchandise, or any other non-photo sections of your unified commerce solution. The clerk role is also streamlined. Their role is serving customers and processing transactions, and that's pretty much it. They can do everything needed to make a sale, from opening and closing registers to accepting payments and checking out the sale. That's about it. A clerk can also view inventory, including pricing and stock levels across different locations, and view, create, and edit customer records, like customer name, email, phone number, etc. In addition, clerks can create a shopping cart and add items, attach a customer, and process the checkout. They can also view sales in progress both online and in-store and complete those transactions with the customer. And finally, they can accept payments for any enabled payment methods and provide receipts. They cannot, however, edit product quantity or pricing, view the cost of goods to see the margins, or process refunds, returns, or void orders. They are also not able to create any custom items or apply special discounts in the cart. Now you know the basics of user roles in your My Dakis account. Thanks for listening. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.